quite thrilled, happy. I don't know how to express myself. I had planned to meet a very small group, but now the hall is full. Well, that is what it should be. But let me thank you all for coming. More important to our Asian community, both from the Indian and the Pakistanis. It is our intention as the new dispensation that we interact with everyone in Zimbabwe, in the country. So, together, we come up with the way forward for Zimbabwe. Because Zimbabwe is our country. Zimbabwe is for everyone. If we are to develop Zimbabwe, we must be united. That is the first and foremost thing. Work together. And whatever we do, we must do it together. So I come here to represent our First Secretary of the ruling party, our President of the ruling party, the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe, and the President of the Republic of Zimbabwe on the 31st of July when we have voted. I appreciate the role played by the Asian community. From yesteryears to the present day. Today we talk of Senator Kandabai Patel, who is our national hero. He came from this community. Professor Has Patel, who was also our ambassador to Australia, is from this community. And a special thanks to Professor, because he was also my lecturer. So this community has done quite a lot. Honorable Josh Oma, our ZAN PF candidate for Mwenezi East, is from this community. We have two prominent members who are in the judiciary. One is still in the judiciary in the Supreme Court of Zimbabwe, Honorable Justice Bharat Patel, and retired Justice Ahmed Ibrahim. They all are from this community. And they served and still serving in our Supreme Court. You have contributed immensely to the building of our Zimbabwe we want, our beautiful Zimbabwe. And let's together continue with that spirit, with that zeal, with that togetherness, so that we create the Zimbabwe we all want. ndiri kuti pano kunemi ava vamwe vedu vechi-Asian tagara navo, tasenza navo. Vaisa vanhu vanoremekedzwa mubato redu reZANU-PF muhurumende yanga iri ichitungamirirwa neZANU-PF. Vamwe vanga vari kuhurumende like majudges, vanana Judge Justice Patel, Justice Ibrahim. Vamwe vakatimiririra mumatare eParliament. Tina Comrade Honorable Joseph Oma kumasvingo. Professor Patel vanga vari mumiriri wedu wenyika yedu ku Australia. Saka vanhu vatashanda navo kubva pavapinda muno muna 1890 vangotorwa sevashandi kuma plantations uko kuNatal yava KwaZulu nhasi. Vakauya vakashanda nesu muno. Nguva yatatanga zvematongerwo enyika vakauyawo vakashanda nesu kupa mari, kubatsira ma-eri nationalist yedu kuti basa rematongerwo enyika risimuke muno muZimbabwe. Patanga hondo taiwe navo, mukurwiwa kwayo takanga tiri tese kusvikira pama hondo yapera. And so, how did this community come about? 1890, from the plantation workers in South Africa during the British colonial rule. And then the few marched to then Southern Rhodesia. And from there we've been together. You are Zimbabweans. As you joined our struggle and joined the structures of the liberation movements, we are now going this 30th of July this year for the harmonized elections after a very major change that took place last year in November when Operation Restore Legacy was launched. During the Operation Restore Legacy, every Zimbabwean of all race, color, creed was in the streets in Harare. There was no segregation. And you brought the government that you wanted, which was installed on the 24th of November, when President Emmerson Dambudzo Mnangagwa was installed as the second executive president of the Republic of Zimbabwe.